The DXOPHIEX 15-inch dual reptile light fixture provides a robust lighting solution for reptile enthusiasts, incorporating both a basking bulb and an infrared lamp to simulate natural day and night cycles. This versatile fixture can support light bulbs of up to 150 watts each, accommodating a wide range of lighting needs from UVB to nightlight lamps. With 2 independent switches, pet owners can easily control the lighting environment, ensuring optimal conditions for their reptiles at different times of the day. The fixture is designed for easy installation, either resting on a terrarium screen or hanging with an adjustable hook, providing flexibility in setting up the habitat. Thanks to its excellent heat dissipation features, the fixture promises durability and a consistent light and heat environment, essential for the well-being of reptiles like bearded dragons and ball pythons. Constructed with high-quality aluminum for better reflection, it ensures efficient light distribution and comes with a neatly wrapped cord for a tidy setup.